Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Motorola Edge 70 Pro. So first, let me quickly just adjust the brightness for you guys. What are we gonna do first is we're gonna go over into the settings, and in the settings right here we need to scroll a bit down and we want to check the sound and vibration. So we want to make sure that we put call volume all the way to the right. Now after we do that, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and of course go into the phone app, try calling up somebody, and then you can press the volume up button to increase your call volume. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So let's go over here. Now we need to scroll down to connected devices, go to connection preferences, select Bluetooth and turn it off. Now our Bluetooth is disabled, and what are we gonna do is we're gonna clean an earpiece, which is right up top here, with a soft brush. So you need a soft brush for it. I only have a microfiber cloth, so that wouldn't help with anything, but here we have it at the top. Now we can just try and clean it out, and after cleaning it we can test another call or an app. So we can try another call right here, or we can test another app, for example WhatsApp or anything else. What are we going to do next is we're simply going to restart our phone. So press the power button, the volume up button, and here select restart. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and reset the network settings. So let's unlock our phone. Now let's open up the settings right here, and what are we going to do is we're going to swipe a little bit down until we see system. Now go to reset options, and here we want to reset mobile network settings. Click on reset settings, and of course enter your password once again. Click reset, and now we see the confirmation at the bottom. It's done, and that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.